Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is where I talk about space and aliens and stuff like that. Today, I'm going to talk about how the universe is not expanding and it's not a vacuum and how big our galaxy really is. So, according to Taigetin and Swaru sources, the universe is not expanding. What Earth science interprets as an expanding universe is actually the result of a misunderstood phenomenon, something they call red shift. Here's the truth. As explained by Swaru, space is not empty. It's not a vacuum. Instead, it's filled with a high-density ether-like medium, a fluid of energy that light must travel through. Now, just like how sound loses energy moving through thick air, light too loses energy traveling across this cosmic medium. Over time it gets tired. It starts shedding its higher frequencies like violet and blue and shifts towards red. That's why it's called the tired light theory. But here's what gets interesting. Earth scientists look at the redshift and say, aha, these galaxies, they must be moving away from us. The universe must be expanding. But the Taigetans say that that's a misinterpretation. What you're seeing isn't motion. It's light losing energy across vast distances. So, from the Taigetan view, there was no Big Bang and the universe isn't expanding. It's eternal, it's static, and far more complex than our current models allow for. A multiverse of densities, frequencies, and interdimensional geometries, not a balloon popping outward from some singularity. Now let's zoom in on our own galactic home, the Milky Way. From Earth's perspective, we're taught that the Milky Way is about 100,000 to 120,000 light years across. The Taigetans, they say that is way off. According to them, the true diameter of the Milky Way is over 1 million light years across, and it's not just in flat space. It expands in ways that aren't visible to conventional instruments, through energy filaments, portals, higher density folds, layers of reality that overlap like an onion. What seems like a single galaxy is really a multi-layered, multi-dimensional system that stretches much farther than our tools can detect. In their words, Earth scientists are still looking at the shadows on the cave wall, using redshift and gravity-based models to map a universe that functions more like a fluid hologram of frequencies than a machine made of parts. So next time someone tells you the universe is expanding or that the Milky Way is just a speck in space, remember, there's a whole another layer of truth, one that the stars themselves may be waiting for us to discover. Stay curious, stay high frequency, and never stop asking what's really out there.